Hi all. So myself, Gnanaprakash. I'm a resident of Hyderabad. I've been living in Hyderabad for the last couple of years. So I'm currently working as an implementation consultant for High Radius Technologies. It's headquartered in Houston, and we are a FinTech software as a service-based company. So in my tenure, I've been working with customers across the globe, and majoritarily in the North American and Latin American regions. So my job as a consultant involves liaising with the customers, deploying the solution as per the design requirements, which kind of requires you to have a background knowledge of how cloud systems work and what is the end objective. So the reason why I wanted to kind of go for higher studies is basically I wanted to become more mature in my current role. I wanted to gain more knowledge so that I can be more confident in what I do, which eventually will help me grow in my career, right? So that was the basic objective. And then also I didn't want to take a break from my current career. So I heard about this program, which is the BITS Pilani WILP integrated learning programs through one of my relatives who have been in the education industry for quite some time. And it was purely based on word of mouth, and I have heard quite a lot of good reviews and feedback about this course, which I am already experiencing as part of this program. After a lot of research and thought process into which program would be best suited for me, I found out that MBA in FinTech was the best choice for myself, as I work for a company which is a FinTech company. And as you're aware, in the past decade, there has been a enormous rise in companies and startups that are more focused towards providing FinTech services. Because post the pandemic, I think the new focus is digital. Everything is online. People are transitioning towards cloud and such certain other concepts related to the FinTech domain. And there is a huge demand for people with skills that could enable these existing organizations and new organizations into the by adopting to the latest trends in the FinTech industry. I mean, initially it was a bit of overwhelming, I would say, because being from a non-IT background and getting to know or getting to be familiarized with the FinTech concepts was definitely a bit overwhelming in the start. But as the course progressed, the faculties and the supporting staff were very helpful in kind of helping me adjust to the curriculum. And of course, I mean, the recorded lectures is a plus point for me, because in my current role, the work is very hectic. So I tend to miss a few lectures. But yes, I mean, the recorded lectures do help me out in those scenarios where I could watch those videos in my convenient time slots. So talking about peers and friends in the program, we have people with different levels of experience. So fortunately I have had the chance to interact with people having more than 15 plus years of experience, and even people who are around 5 to 10 years of experience. So I had the chance to work with this diverse audience. So I wanted to kind of share the experience that I have had so far, and how has it helped me in my current role. So in my current role, since I'm a FinTech SaaS-based consultant, I need to have the skills or the knowledge of the tools that I'm using to deploy our company's solution. And in this program, a course called Introduction to FinTech completely talks about all those tools and skill sets that are needed for a consultant. And I can see the result in my current role already, where when I'm liaising with the different teams like the product engineering teams, the infrastructure teams, I'm able to effectively communicate and place the ideas on the table for any layman to understand it very easily. And I'm also able to question the teams better when it comes to implementing a new idea, or finding out the reason why are we doing such stuff. To put it in a nutshell, I feel that this program is the right program for me. So I would recommend this course to anyone who is passionate about his or her contributions towards the company, and also in this fintech space. So thank you so much, BITS Pilani.